Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do a lesson on music. Okay, what lesson am I going to do? A music lesson. Okay, we're going to do a lesson on music on meter patterns. What do you think meter patterns are? Yes, Oyam?
I think they are just patterns that make miles. Let's say the pattern is 1 mile. The pattern is 2 miles.
Okay, it's a music pattern. Yes, go ahead. Okay, good. Okay, yeah. Okay, a pattern, a music pattern shows you how the tone or the pulse of the beat is. Okay, a meter pattern tells you how loud and low a beat is. Okay, so you need to listen very carefully during this lesson, because at the end of this lesson I want you to understand how to read a meter pattern and how to use a meter pattern to create your own beat, because during this lesson each group is going to create their own beat. Okay, also I want you to understand accented and unaccented meter patterns. Okay, accented and unaccented beats. When you talk about accented beats, those are the loud, those are the emphasized beats, which means they are the loud ones. They're the ones that are loud. Okay, then the unaccented beats, the ones that are less emphasized, are the weak beats. Okay, like for example, we all gonna do this together. Okay, at my pace. Okay, let's say here is a beat. Okay, goes 1, 2, 3, then 1. Can you see that 1 is big, 2 and 3 is small, and 1 is big again? So this one is a strong beat. This is a strong beat. Strong, weak, weak, then strong. What do you call a strong beat? Emphasized or accented. Okay. What do you call the weak one? Less emphasized or unaccented. Okay. So now let's take the strong beat. I want us to use the same beat, but we're gonna change it. So for number 1, we're gonna go. It's all together. Then now that's not a strong one, isn't it? Now we have weak, weak, then strong again. Okay. So for the weak one, we're gonna go. Okay. Then again. Okay. Now let's do this pattern together. No. Remember? Wait. Let me first do an example. Ba. Okay, go strong, weak, strong, isn't it? Now let's go again. Good. Can you see? Strong, weak, strong. Okay. Now that I got your attention. Now you need to understand. In a beat, you get different patterns. You get different meter patterns. See, this is a 1, 2, 3, 1. Then you get a 1, 2, 1. Then you get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, those are the 3. This one has 3 beats, 2 beats, and a 4 beats. Okay. Now that it's like this, let's say if you are listening to a song, you can hear kum, 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 kum. So you know which one did they use there? Well, which one did they use? The 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen very carefully. Kum, kum. No, let's listen again. Let's listen again. Kum, kum. Which one? 3, isn't it? 3, because the word kum, kum. Okay, isn't it? So now, let's say for example, you're doing the 2-1. How are we gonna do the 2-1? Let's do it with our hands. Let's do it again. Yes, that's how we're gonna do it. Okay. So now we need to know there's a strong beat, weak beat, and a strong beat. Now, when you're reading, let's say you're reading a song. Have you seen the notes of a song? They're like this, isn't it? Let's say this is a strong note. This is a small one, this is a weak one. Weak. Strong. Which pattern are they using? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3.
Because it goes strong, weak, strong. Okay. So now I'm gonna put you into groups. I'm gonna put you into small groups. I'm gonna give you a piece of paper. Where's my piece of paper now? I'm gonna give you a piece of paper. The piece of paper has a pattern, has a meter pattern, okay? It has a meter pattern. Now in your group, you are going to create a small beat, a short beat, using that meter pattern that I give you. So if I give you 1, 2, you must create a beat using that 1, 2. It doesn't matter, you can even go like this. You can even go, or you can go anything, okay? But you need to create your pattern. You understand? Just listen very carefully. Okay, so we said what is an accented beat? It's a strong beat. And what is the emphasized beat? The emphasized is a strong one. What is the unaccented beat or less emphasized beat? The weak one, isn't it? So now you're able to listen to a song and say, okay, this song has this beat, this song has this beat, isn't it? Am I correct? Okay, now I'm gonna walk around. And give you, I'm gonna give you each group a paper that's gonna tell you the beat. Then that group is gonna come to the front, do that beat for us, then go back and sit down. When they sit down, I'm gonna ask each group, I'm gonna put points I'm gonna put a table on the board. I'm gonna ask each group, okay, group A, what beat was group B using? Then you're gonna tell me. Then they're gonna show us their paper. Then if you got it right, I'm gonna put a point for your group. Then I'm gonna ask the next group, which beat did group C use? Group D, what beat did group C use? Then you're gonna tell me like that, okay? So when they are doing their thing here in front, you need to listen to the beat that they're using, the meter pattern that they're using, okay? You need to listen to the meter pattern that they're using. So we're gonna start with the activity, then we're gonna follow with the questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.